Check out this 2002 Chevrolet S10 pickup. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Call today to schedule a test drive.